Let's make a new video. I didn't plan for this video. I will go in a random station and let's make video and make shots and talk. It's a moment of life underground. Let's share it together. Welcome to the magic of Moscow Metro Station. Let's go. We are now in Arabatskaya Metro Station, and I would like to say that there is two stations had the same name, Arabatskaya. Arabatskaya line, and this is a blue line, and it's got the name from a famous street here named Arbat Street. And the other Arabatskaya is on the Kievskaya line, the light blue line. And from this station you can go up to Arbat Street, Old Arbat and New Arbat. One from most famous streets in Moscow and a must visit. So the stations are located on two lines. The third, Pakrovskaya, and it's marked in dark blue on the Moscow Metro map. And the fourth line, Kievskaya, and it's marked as a light blue on the Metro Moscow map. Kievskaya Metro Station, and it's located next to the Kievskaya railway station. So this station is a getaway for long distance train to any place, to Ukraine, to Western destination, to any place in Russia and around. I believe it's one from the most beautiful metro station in Moscow. I think the mosaic and the culture themes making Kievskaya Station one of the most visually rich station in Moscow Metro, and I recommend that if you are in Moscow, please visit this station. It's also a good place to make photo. Here we are now in Krasonpresenkaya Metro Station. It's an old station opened in 1954. Depth of this station nearly 35 meters. The most important thing that the station is close to central Moscow attractions, and it's very convenient for exploring the city. I mean the city center. Taganska Station, it one also from the old station. It was built in 1950. I think it took that name because of the Taganska square up this station. When you walk in Taganska, you will feel Soviet victory, sacrifice and pride. Taganska also located on the circle line, the brown color line, the line number 5. So many nice panels in this station you will see. I have to say that those panels in the station here are unique in the Moscow Metro. Now we reach Kuzentsky Most Metro Station, and this station located on the line of the Tagansko-Krasnopresenkaya line. It's a new station opened in 1975, and I can say it's deep to around 40 meters down. It is like most of the metro station here in Moscow, one platform in the middle and 2 tracks on the sides. From that station you can walk in the Kuzentsky Most Street, one of the most famous for shopping and architecture, and I will put link on the description below for a tour I made it in that street. This station is excellent as an access to central Moscow landmarks and shopping streets. I would like to mention here that I find how that some stations are very deep down, so sometimes when I go to stairs up or down in some station I could take more than 1 minute to reach the other level. Park Kulturi, among the oldest station, it was built in 1935. I like this station, maybe because I like the culture as it is. It's very nice station. For me, it's one from my favorite station in Moscow. It's it took that name because of the Gorky Central Park of Culture and Rest is located across the Moscow River up this station. Now we are passing Truvnaya Station. It's a modern station, was built in 2007. And as we are now in the New Year's time, so you can feel the New Year's times vibes on the station where we are passing. Thanks for watching and please be tuned for next uploads. I appreciate it.